so long, and I learned a lesson in life from this January. The weight left on my heart is less heavy when the first light shines. The first light shines in June. I know you met her before, the apple of my eye, lady du jour, the queen of my heart, love of my life, make her my wife, lover and friend. I'll never love another again, you know her. I met her out at the park, she had a glow about her even though her long hair was dark. At first she didn't pay me no mind, every word that I spoke got a reply of a roll and a rise. I said if opposites attract then we fit, and see I think that we should be together and you feel the opposite. She laughed knowing I was trying to be cute, then wrote a number in the palm of my hand in dark blue. Now goes the story of the boy meets girl, boy falls in love with girl, takes advantage of boy, annoyed that I could have been so blind. From the start, playing my part, she had rehearsed every line, and I fell for it every time without shame. Playing the game caused the most beautiful pain that never displayed hope. Love was a lame joke, a black comedy written just to entertain folks. I knew I had to go when opportunity spoke.